Today we will make an elegant bouquet using basic flowers and a simple glass jar. Super easy, absolutely beginner friendly. Tools you'll need: scissors and cutter, multi-kind leaves like Messengiana, rose, matching color family flowers, rose, lily, orchids and carnations, a floral foam or styrofoam, baby's breath flowers for filler. Step 1. Put the Messengiana leaf, long leaf in the jar. Set Carlo for that tall base. Step 2. Top pea foam, fill Carlo securely. Step 3. Make base with green leaves for full coverage. Step 4. Place the flowers unevenly in different sections of the foam for natural and aesthetic look. Step 5. Put small bunches of baby's breath flowers in the gaps as filler. Look, your bouquet is taking shape, elegant and pro-level. Like this tutorial? Make your masterpiece at home. Like, subscribe, Sai Hira Decor, press the bell icon for more decor magic.